Welcome, welcome. After all my practice, I still messed it up. Welcome to the site. Like we always start, we're always going to go through what we're going to be doing today. And what we're going to do today is pretty straightforward. We're trying to have like a really good day today. Um, I'm trying to put together an MVP. So I realized it's getting a bit complicated, and if I want to actually get this launched by the end of the month, today's date is 23rd September. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's 23rd September. It is 5:50. So for us to get launched, we need an MVP. We need something that screams, okay, this is something you should invest your money in. And over the coming weeks, I'm also going to include how I'm going to be looking for funding for this website. I'll try to get a little bit of clips of me, pitching this to investors, and getting reviews and live reviews of what they say and if they like it or not. But without further ado, let me explain what the project is for those that are new here. So it's AI agents for e-commerce brands, basically, um, but not your common AI agents. This AI agent is going to be able to manage your store for you. So I'm just going to show you a quick video here. So it's going to let me play it. So as you can see, it's just like a quick video where you chat with your agents or you speak to your agents inside your Medusa store, and with this you can be able to manage your store easily. It can send you emails, it can send you reviews, summaries, how your site is performing, performance metrics, analytics, the whole suite. And not only this, but I'm also looking at the infrastructure being one where you can also communicate with it on the front end, where it's not just staying on your site, it's also on your phone. So I'm also hoping to put in like a mobile application. So, like I said, today we're gonna focus on the MVP because trust me, I tried building the entire product myself, and I almost I crashed and burned. So today we're gonna go straight into what we're trying to accomplish today. So without further ado, let's start putting together MVP or like a pitch deck at least. So let's see what that's about. We're gonna try and use ChatGPT for it. All right. Let me see. This is like the most crude way to find ChatGPT ever invented by man. Okay. What am I trying to search up? Hey ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, I'm trying to put together a pitch deck, and I want to know the key factors. Take into account the pitch deck that has worked for Y Combinator startups and all that I need to set up. Okay, so now we got that running. Let's see where it's gonna end up. We got a hook, we got the problem, type shit. Not too bad at all. I think it's gonna be a really chill vibe today. Genuinely, I think it's gonna be a chill vibe today. But that's loud, man. I got to turn that off. Or not. Maybe I'm not gonna get much more notifications and stuff. Yeah, Chad, I don't even know how I became a tech guy, man. Like, I really don't know how I became a tech guy. I guess it happened overnight. Oh my goodness, guys, like, bro, we gotta make this money, bro, some way, somehow. By the way, I dropped the chatbot for you guys, man. All you brand owners, go use my chatbot. I'm cooking up something for you guys, so keep it in mind. Keep it in mind. It's coming. It's coming, bro. Trust. Right. Okay. Enough playing around. So what do we have here? So we gotta get the opening hook. Bruh. AI agent for e-commerce brands. AI agent for African brands. AI agents, the African brand. Oof. Thinking of like a strong punchlines. Chad, do you think that these are, please, if you guys have any compliments, any help you want to offer, if you see me making a mistake, please, I urge you to put it in chat. And if you've not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be dropping content like this as often as possible till I build this. I'm talking about the entire build, from building the MVP to looking for funding, all the way to even when I started managing the platform. So you guys should stay tuned for that. Also, I'm going to do a little bit of end-to-end automations where you can understand how I thread together certain things. So you guys should keep that in mind. But for now, we're getting the pitch deck done so that we can start looking for investors. If we can get it done today in today's stream, then I can start actively looking for investors and trying to see what they say about it. Oh, I saw this thing right on Near. I want to show you guys something really cool, right? Near. This is Near AI. So I've been looking at them for a while now, and apparently it's a blockchain for AI. It's kind of like for AI agents. You can create agents on it, and it's a pretty chill project. Apparently, you can have AI agent do different things for you. You can have them go on your website, edit certain things. You can have them interact on the blockchain, make transactions on the blockchain, which is mind blowing, bro. So that's a pretty good platform that I think, if I want to make this decentralized, give the power to for people to be able to pay with crypto, because right currently e-commerce is just very centralized on the normal modern ways, Visa, but a lot of people are already using crypto, and I believe that it's going to keep increasing over time. So I'm going to position this project to use blockchain and AI later. And I don't know if this is something you guys are interested in. I'm open to really dive more into talking about it, but you guys have to let me know. Okay. So without further ado, let's start the pitch deck. One clear, compelling statement about your project. Now I'm gonna try something. Just give it a Control A, copy that shit, put in. My laptop is fucking heated up. So heated up right now. So it's like, okay. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. You gotta describe your store, get a full e-commerce site plus a 247 AI agent in minutes. African brands though. Well, who says it has to be only African brands? I mean, even if you're using Shopify, right? You still have to manually go and manage your Shopify store. But Shopify has an agent. Let me check it. Chad, do you think Shopify has an agent? So we might not need to write code today. I know they have a store builder. These ones are different ones. Like I feel like the kind of that combines commerce knowledge with sidekick. Oh, this brand is starting stepping. Alright, give me a minute. Wow, it seems like these people are trying to already do it. Damn, man. Agentic comment has arrived. Bro, I'm telling you, man, the year of agentic comment has arrived. These people are trying to get in there. But that's not my target audience. I'm not going for just broader audience. I'm going for a niche audience, meaning that my AI audience will be trained on African brands. Let me explain it to ChatGPT for a minute. It seems Shopify has a similar project to this, but I'm focused on AI agents for African brands. I'm focused on AI agents for African brands, which is tailored for African businesses, specifically with the same languages and yeah. Mm. So we're gonna use Google Slides to build it out. Mm. So we're making a pitch deck today. For you as a guy joining me, I know that I was off for a minute, but I'm back now. So you guys should stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Let's get it, let's get it. Let's try to see if we can. This is a 6 trillion global market. This is even the 2020. Last time I checked, it was a 4 trillion. I wonder if these people drop data concerning just in the last 3 years. Let's just look at the last 3 years. This type of granular platform, regionally focused data is prioritized. Blah 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 blah. Alright, so that's not possible. I think I have to make a video. My plan is simple, right? So when I create the pitch deck, I can now start talking about it online, about the product, create like an entire Instagram page for it this week, and start posting about it. Basically trying to create a community, talking about what the AI agent is going to do. Try to maybe create illustration with AI of how the bot would work, and then go for funding with the AI chatbot illustrations. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing. So this today is just gonna be about creating it because I already have the idea I want to do, right? Although the MVP is not yet ready, which is the annoying part. I have to be able to create a store first before I can think of all these other parts of things. Alright. So I need to create the product itself. But I think that'll come last. I'll first do the marketing then, because I want to start a product, but we're trying to make money with this. We're trying to help people make money with this, So they need to be aware that it's out there. There's a solution for them out there. Before Shopify comes with all their 2025 bullshit, I want to be out there in the market. You know what I'm saying? Yo, my barber left me chopped. By the way, I have to address this because too many barbers just be leaving bros chopped, man, left, right, and center, man. It's not even fair at this point. It's like, what did I do, my nigga? Like, I shouldn't say that, but what did I do, bro? It's like shit. Anyway, it's not time to get carried away. Competitive landscape. We have Shopify, WooCommerce, manual setup, steep learning curve, massive. ChatGPT, AI plugins, fragmented, no end-to-end. Facts. So GetReech advantage, fully built store plus AI agents, integrated payments, flexible pricing. Simple, right? Very simple, straightforward offerings. Our go-to-market partnership with payment providers like Stripe. I already have a Stripe partnership because they use Medusa, and I can set up I think my plan is set up a WhatsApp automation, right, where it just integrates directly to their WhatsApp, so the bot answers from their WhatsApp as well as also directing. So it's like a full-on solution. Yeah, that would be cool. That would be fucking cool. Should estimate. Okay, I have to do the financials, bro. By the way, I'm gonna geek out in these financials, man. That's exactly what I want to do. Ask to build traction, tech dev, marketing operations. Yeah, this is to build traction, clear use of funds, product development, go to market, user acquisition. I mean, the big vision is to own the African market. I'm not trying to go abroad. I don't want to go abroad. Yeah, I feel like Africa is going to become the next hub. I mean, the amount of transactions alone, the sheer amount of transactions in Africa is massive. So my vision is to own the African market, starting with Nigerian market. My vision is to own the African market. These solutions and this gatekeeping that usually happens in the West, it's not going to happen anymore on my watch. So that's the bigger vision, right, Chad? That's the bigger vision. I hope you guys see my face properly. It seems like my head is cropped out. Am I better now? Let me see. All right. If we can capture, even if it is 1% of 7.5 billion, that's $7.9 million. That's $7.9 million ARR, or yeah, annual recurring revenue. So that's not pretty bad though, because 10% of that is, yeah, that's where you get into your 7.5 billion, which is massive. But this is $1 trillion market, right? There's gonna be brands abroad that wants to sell to, that want to sell to African markets, right? And that's an opportunity as well. AI agent answering Yoruba dashboard orders inventory. So this is what we need to do. This is the stripped down version of what we're gonna be working on, right? To get the model out. Okay. Starts in Nigeria. Yes, of course. Yep, that's the idea. I am going to definitely add crypto. Like that's something I'm really thinking about. Do you think I should chat? Yeah, I have a question for you guys. Do you think I should get a team? Like I'm trying to. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. I want to get like a team of people that'll support this project, because it's not just only gonna be me, right? I'm trying to do it only me, but this is way bigger than just me. I cannot be selfish here. So I want to open the doors out, open to people that are, you know, driven, just like me, that wants to do something better than just sit around on their asses, you know. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see what products this has for us. I like this slide. Let's just put it in there. Let's have some to start off with, right? Then we like refine it as well as we go on. Yeah, my laptop is on a different level of heat right now. I don't even know. Let's go to the nitty gritty. Write your mission statement. It's your chance to articulate your vision, potential within a few words. Explain what you do, why you do it, who you do it for. AI agents for e-commerce brands. African. Oh my god, I wish I had a better laptop. I'm so content right now. Oh my god, I wish I had a better laptop. I'm so content right now. Last time I tried to go for funding, it was pretty difficult because I didn't have like but I'm pretty confident in this project though. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm pretty confident in it. Commerce assistant that speaks the languages of African businesses. Yo, it'd be so cool if they add some kind of we are building AI agents for African e-commerce. I think I said it here, but I'm gonna say it again though. tired. So it's making me stressed the fuck out. We are building Africa's first commerce assistant that speaks the language of African business. We're building Africa's first Africa's first AI commerce assistant that speaks the language of African business. Literally, man. Oh, bule. Yes, sir. That means the culture has to be to speak African, right? It has to be like African. If it's because it's not African, it's not the vibe I'm going for. So we already have a bunch of problems here that we're trying to like put in there. So we'll just pick it out. This was so easy. Although we had to train it on. Remember, guys, context is everything with AI. Context is everything in AI. I'm not explaining more than that, but context is everything in AI. Chat. I'm telling you. The problem, state the problem. What pain point are you tackling? What gap are you going to fill in the industry? Lay down stakes and explain why investors should care. Uh, this is interesting because this is what I want to. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to hit. All right. So, what are the stakes? What are the stakes? I mean, we cannot lose. We have to move quickly. We gotta move quickly. All right, you know what I'm gonna do? I mean, they should care first of all because I said so. Oh my goodness. I wish it was that easy, you know. You could just tell them, bro, care about this and they're like, yeah, I fucking I care about that so much. Passion. It's not like that. You know, you have to explain these things to people. You have to be, very strategic in how you approach these matters. I'm gonna build a team around this. I'm gonna go for funding. I believe in this a lot. And unless I get shut down directly from God, I'm not gonna stop. Right? That's like the idea. Like I'm gonna go and keep going till it works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna still keep going. Till God tells me, bro, that's not for you, right? That's kind of like how I'm approaching this, right? From that angle of relentless intensity, because I know the problem I've seen. I try to solve it by manually creating stuff for these sites, right? But it's gonna be expensive for them because I need proper feedback for my time that I'm putting in. So of course it's gonna be expensive. Uber Go. Yeah, I don't think it's letting me log in. Let me see if I can get my other phone. If it's active. It's dead. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm logged in. That's pretty cool. Oh my goodness, man. So okay, we got a couple of things that we need to work on. So yeah, Chad, I'm thinking of just going directly with like the $6 trillion industry first of all. Like first of all, this is a $6 trillion industry. It's no joke, right? Why should they care about it? First of all, this is the $6 trillion industry we're talking about. The African market alone is 7.75 billion. This shows that it's going to keep increasing, at least to take up half of that, because Africa is the biggest continent, if I'm not mistaken. Wait, I have to confirm that shit, bro. You cannot be dropping those kind of facts. Ah, I was wrong. Asia is the largest continent by both land area and population. Damn. The second largest, at least. I'm sorry, my Asian folks. I'm really sorry. I'm fucking. Oh my god. Alright, that was bad. So 6% of the land's area, the world, second largest continent in the world. That's pretty cool. So it has over 4.7 billion people in Asia. Africa has over 4.7 billion. What? That's a lot of people in Asia, man. That's a lot of people in Asia. Wow. Massive. I ain't gonna lie, massive. Over 1.4 billion people, 30 million square meters area. Which is pretty large, so we're not going for that market yet. No, we're not going to go for the market. Even if we can capture like 1% of this entire market, which is like 1.4 billion people, 1.4 million people, that's still that's a lot of folks, man. That's a lot of money still, And that's the goal. The goal is to go for a quarter, then go for a million, like that. So we're going to keep progressing like that. Popcorn dependency risk. And there's already so much people that are taking over the African market, man. And I don't like that they're coming to our place again. I don't want them to be dependent on that, right? I believe that AI agents will get to a point where it doesn't matter where your agent was created, right? It's going to be able to communicate with every other agent. So it doesn't matter if you have an agent on another store. You could have multiple stores and multiple agents talking to each other in your business. So you can run it on in different regions, and service those regions very intricately. So what's the problem we're solving? Let me get them. So if I recall properly, right? There are a couple of problems: payment gaps, language and trust, customer preferred local language interaction. Yeah, that's why they tried like talking. your WhatsApp DMs, the way they try to do WhatsApp DMs and stuff. I totally understand that. We got complex setups, global tools. Yeah, Africans are not trying to do all that. So we got a little bit of issues here that I think they have. I've spoken to a couple of them. Even running ads, they have no idea how to run ads. So this AI agent is gonna do all that for them. Businesses relying on Instagram, TikTok lose everything if accounts get suspended. Payments are messy, don't integrate well with social media models. I need a great team, right? I need a great team. That's what I need. I need an impressive team of individuals that are gonna take this to the next level. Yeah, I believe that I'm gonna find our team. I, I don't think this is enough for me to explain the problem as much. And they're limited. They do this because of limited payment options. Payment options. Mm, yeah, I got it soon. Because of limited payment options. Yeah, they do this because of minimum options. I hope the stream latency is still alright, chat. Yo, man. I'm thinking of adding more screens to my chat. Like, so far, I just have like a couple of cool ones like this. My goodness. Like, I think this is pretty chill. You guys like this one? I think it's pretty cool. Like, for real, I think this is pretty cool. Right? It's pretty cool. Let's leave it like that. Let's see how that chat is gonna be. Alright? Let's see how it holds up. If we like it, we leave it. If we don't like it after like this stream, if you guys don't like it, let me know. I'll stop it. Alright? Doesn't always have to be this thing the same way. No, we can always change it out. You know. Alright. I like this. I like this one. Bro, it's just annoying though, but so we gotta. So, what pain point are you tackling? They leave money on the table. Lay down the stakes. Majority of African brands and businesses relying on social media alone for sales. It's one, they always do. It's either WhatsApp, or if they even have an online checkout, it's like for the rare ones, and it's not really a very nice checkout experience. It's pretty shitty, trust. So that's the second issue. They do this because of limited payment options, of course. Lack of customer trust as a result of as a result, then uh, lose loss loss of customer trust as a result, then lack of professionalism. Uh, so I listed three risks here, but let me see if I can get more in my off the top of my mind right now. Mm. Some water. Okay, I mean, complex platforms making steep learning curves, steep learning curves, complicated layout, limit adoption. So these are like the main issues I see in African commerce. Majority of African brands rely on social media alone for sales. They do this because of limited payment options, loss of customer trust as a result, a lack of personalism. They lose customers. Bro, this is so annoying, man. Lack of professionalism. This 6 o'clock, man. Oh my god, man. This is the highest level of annoying, man. We propose something different. Solution. We propose a solution. AI agents. Like sometimes, man, it takes deep love for African business to actually do this, because now I'm thinking about it, right? Africans are really, you know, they have their, yeah, I would say that they are an acquired taste, right? If you want to do something for Africans, you actually have to love them to do it. You can't do it out of the fact that, oh, because I'm doing it for money. You have to love them, and I think that that's, one of the most important things. Check, give me a minute. I need to handle something real quick. Hmm. We are back and live, boys. Okay, so where were we? Uh, we proposed a solution. We proposed a solution. What's the solution? Huh. I think African brands can do more, right? So, AI powered store creation and management, build, build and manage complete stores, build a complete store from just. Let me leave it there. So that's that. 24/7 agents, AI agents. But the idea of agents is like, I feel like we're still just scratching the surface, right? I envision agents as being a full-on solution for businesses where it's like your best friend that just cares about your business alone. Inventory, of course. Inventory, all those customers, orders, inventory, like everything though. Everything in your store. What else? Okay, even helping. So it's like it answers questions directly, not just for customer queries, right? It's a full-on solution. I'm thinking, and optimization. Let's say and so you don't need all those fun because if somebody comes to your site and they are greeted by really nice, agents that's there, that's a really nice bet. Then integrated payments. Cryptocurrency. I'm gonna put crypto in there, right? I'm gonna put crypto in there because the good thing is that I've seen where people can use crypto payments for Medusa stores, which is like massive. So cryptocurrency. So it's not just like a normal store where you just it's a full-on solution. I'm thinking in my head. Let's see what's here. How it works. I think I need to still refine this, right? Seamless store creation. Speech to store creation. Speech to store. Isn't that how you spell speech? Oh, bro, my OCD is crazy right now, man. It's on steroids. Speech to store. Describe your store. Describe your store. AI manages it all round. Dashboard preview. Admin AI admin. Your agent keeps a keen eye on your store's performance and is can handle certain tasks on autopilot. Certain tasks like what? For instance, if your inventory is low and you already have a specified a supplier that you usually order from, right? In our custom settings, I would like you to be able to search up that client and order from them directly, which is one way of doing things. The third and foremost is so in as much as you have this, I think that's majorly what the agent does. It's a robust project, right? So agent also helps you run ads, AI ads. AI ads, agents have access to analytics and can suggest the right ads to run, generate creatives. Yo, this is good. Such a cool thing to do. I just need to get the store creation ready. Like that's all I need to do right now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna geek out on for the next couple of weeks and try to get that done. Because if I can get that done, man, chat, bro, that's some insane shit right there. So speech to store, AI admin, AI ads. I think this is the product I'm expecting to sell more. This is gonna be like a whole ass project on its own because that's what people are trying to do. People want AI to just run their ads for them directly. So if you could do it with e-commerce and just instead of you're posting it right to your program, but you have to approve it. But it's like the link to your specific product that you want to run ads on. So that's like pretty chill. Oh my god, chat. Oh, fucking hell, my back, man. Bruh. So when I make my millions, I just need to chill and get my massage in, bro. Like, for real, for real. Get massage on the beach. Definitely on the beach, man. Get massaged on a beach. That is not too bad. That is not too bad. I don't think it's too bad. Is it too bad? No, chat, it's not. It can't be too bad. So how it works. I don't like this. I feel like I'm moving very slowly, but it's better than my laptop crashing because it's really. I mean, the idea I'm trying to do. I see the landing star. I see the vision. I just need them to see the vision. I'm gonna, of course, have to change this reach. I have to get a lot of things for reach, right? Like a domain name. GetReech. Someone took my name, I think. So if someone takes GetReech, man. GetReech.app. This is so annoying, man. GetReech. GetReech. BizReach. Oh, this is so annoying, bro. So he got that name already. Unresponsive? That's sad. I think the best I've seen so far was, this channel, but GetReech.com. It's pretty cheap though. GetReech. GetReech.online. I think that what I'm gonna do is let's just continue with the pitch deck. Let's continue with the pitch deck. How it works. So I mentioned 3 products there. Describe your store, get in minutes, admin setup. Describe your store. Your store, get functioning app store in minutes. Get a functioning app in minutes. Could be more we could do like with this. I think that describe a store, get a functioning store in minutes. You could also that's basically it. Reducing the long wait times of manually building stores. Contrast to Shopify. But now, although in their defense, they are leaving these old ways of making stores, but we gotta move fast. We gotta go and try get funding quickly. I think it is stellar. But if you build this on crypto, right, it'd be so cool if we could build this on crypto, because that's one of the ways we could get funding for this this app. I'm gonna do team building, right? I'm gonna be doing team building. I think the way we're gonna do it, that I might even print it out, right, and like share it in school to see, willing people that are like won't be interested in building something that actually push them to doing greater things in life. So there's a space for that. These 2 or more benefits. you can get a store in minutes. That one is um, reduce cost store creation. Reduce the cost for store creation, and I think those are the two main things that we're bothered about, and now it's solved. So admin management, AI admin AI admin. You could get like a uh, get that handles a lot of your business business also helps you on business on the back end, so reducing the technical learning curve thus streamlining streamlining streamline store management reports and informed data. We got a couple of things that this can help them do, which is, we got number one. This also helps them with their store management and creation. Basically helping them see, come and see some certain things like, if you have an agent in the backend that's helping you manage your store, that means easier store management, meant. This also risk management as well. Risk management. There's the risk management involved. Risk management, and there are other things that you can do, Sha. Risk management, and some other stuffs like, you don't just only have only risk management. Risk management meaning that you don't make mistakes. Your store runs properly without properly without any downtime. And what else? I think this is the start. We could also add that uh, personal assistant, easy inventory management. Um, this also gives you an easy user experience, better user experience. Better user experience. We can use this one. I think there are other parts we can also implement in this. For instance, if we let me see if I can clear this first of all. Um, let me take this out. I'm trying to do something. I'm gonna do this. Oh my god, this is a headache. Um, I think I might just remove the bullet points, right, and just leave it lifted out like that. I'll put some full stop down here. Put some full stop bar down here as well. We want down here as well. So we have what we're trying to do. We're trying to go towards. We're just gonna clear these out in a minute. Oh my goodness, that's a headache, man. So that's just headache, bro. Bro, man. Chat, help me, help me. Let's build this in so I can like do something else in my life than stay in this godforsaken place, man. Trying to get the AI ads. Products in the store, meaning we get a full meaning we get optimized ads for our products. And keep it in mind, we can actually train these AI robots, our agents, to become these ad experts, so that they're able to actually solve these problems for them. So yeah, we got three major issues. So far, we've just done the problem and the solutions. It's taking more time than we expected. It's mainly because I'm not dictating. I'm actually writing it down. But I feel like this would have taken more time as well. But what are the extra benefits? Better conversion, uh, uh, streamlined workflow, um, uh, measurable, really easy way to run ads efficiently. So this is what I'm thinking. So now we're good there. We're good on that note. Yeah, persona. I mean, I could use even multiple business owner. Business owner. Just open an Instagram account, is considering selling their products on social media, does not have a site yet. I kind of like that. I like this archetype. Jay, how long have we been streaming, by the way? How long have we been on here? Wait, let me check. Let me check our stream. Okay, I'm gonna hop right in back and see what we can do. Alright, we got the archetype down to a T. So usually tell your user or buyer personality. Oh, okay. Buyer persona. So we got a couple things. Introduce your audience persona. Who are they? Where they come from? Mention their age and profession. You know, there's a lot of businesses out there. They have what they want. So let me call this one. Let me call her Grace. Grace. Student. Oh my gosh, it's laggy, bro. Chat. I mean, I think we've done some serious heavy lifting today. Like, if you think about it, right? We've done some heavy lifting today. Just like the team now. 'Cause I need 5 people on my team. Yeah. I need 5 more people on my team. I need at least 6 people working on this project with me. 5 people on my team. Yeah, this I don't know about this, but yeah, we're gonna label all this. She wants to grow her brand. Yeah, she wants to grow her brand and manage her business. Eventually, bro, I need funding for this thing. clearly we have Shopify as number one competitor is Shopify. We have WooCommerce. We even have Amazon. Amazon is in it. Whether I want to believe it or not, Amazon is in there too. And I think, does that take a lot? Oh, we're talking huge names like Jumia. Jumia with a mission statement and ethos of for connecting African customers and entrepreneurs to do better business together. Hmm. Jumia is blazing the trail of e-commerce sites in Africa. The company is creating a platform where small, medium, large African companies link with their potential market, thus creating a new age and ecosystem that bypass the middleman. Hmm. I wonder if there's any football matches today. Champions League, I doubt it. It's every weekend? No, I think it's like once every 2 weeks, right? You guys should let me know what football team you support. Let me see who's popping, who is usually. I think Frankfurt is number one in the league now. Then PSG, or PSG or Frankfurt, one of them are topping. Then Club Brugge, then Sporting. I think Man City is kind of like tied with Arsenal, right? They should be tied. Well, this is a thrilling game. Try is really trying to get into that market, but okay, take a look. Is go-to online retailer for shopper that seeks a convenient and simplified online buying and user experience. The site has been around for over a decade. Kilimo. These are humongous companies, man, that have been there since. I'm not even in these markets, but Kilimo. Our closest competitor is definitely WooCommerce and Shopify. Mm. So chat, this is like a normal 2 hour stream, but I don't know. We could be able to do more. I need to get this done. You have a long way to go. See, like I've not even started this financial statements yet. I want to be able to dictate this thing. That's what's gonna make me faster.
I've spent a lot of hours researching the most crazy AI tools so that you guys can triple your income and run a side hustle on autopilot. Browse AI should probably be illegal, but you can use it to extract and monitor your competitors' websites. Looka takes care of your branding and logo design in a matter of seconds. Don't let your crappy art skills hold you back. Copy AI is like having your own personal ghostwriter. I use it to create blogs, newsletters, social posts, and more. If you want to claim the top spot on Google, you're going to love Spin Rewriter. It can rewrite a single article into 500 different ones in a matter of 45 seconds. With the right prompt on Midjourney, you can make boring product photos look like they were shot in a professional studio. Runway is the ultimate editing suite for social media content. Their tools can turn your videos from looking like they were shot in a potato to looking like a Hollywood blockbuster. Suffering from inbox overload? Merlin can effortlessly write professional email replies. So use these tools to save time, make more money, and run your business while you sleep.
It's giving AI vibes, TBH. This was said in a Shopify article. Of course, you can automate availability, user experience, decision making, security, in Indian platforms, and market trends. I mean, Shopify clearly sees the vision, but they are not actively building it yet.
AI shopping is about to get a huge upgrade. Today, if you want to add shopping to your agent, you need to figure out how to search the globe for the right products, visualize the entire shopping journey, and integrate checkout, all while maintaining a user's trust and the highest level of security. We're making that easier. We're bringing together 3 tools to make shopping with agents easy. The Shopify catalog for global product search, a new universal cart, and the checkout kit. All of this built in a way so that you can add commerce to your agent without having to worry about the complexity of products, checkout, or marketplace compliance. Here's how it works. The Shopify catalog lets your agent search hundreds of millions of products with real-time inventory and localized pricing. We've clustered products of the same SKU to form a universal product ID, meaning that search results have fewer duplicates and are more relevant. Now your user can find exactly what they want. The Shopify catalog also returns a set of MCP UI resources. These can be used to display search results inline. These web components can handle everything from bundles to subscriptions to complex variant structures, all without any additional client-side code. And they can be themed to closely match your application's UI. Interactions are exposed as intents, ensuring that your agent is always in the loop. When your user interacts with each component, your agent gets to decide what the next action should be. Every detail is yours to control, from interaction to styling, making the whole experience feel at home. Let's talk about cart. One of the biggest benefits of having a cart in your app is that your agent can handle complex shopping tasks that span multiple conversations. Our universal cart holds items from multiple stores, all in one spot so that your users can easily track all of the items they want to purchase. And when your user is ready to buy, Checkout Kit loads the merchant's checkout, combining the customizations they need to run their business with your agent's branding, so it all feels native to your application. It works seamlessly with Shop Pay and is one of the highest converting checkouts on the web. There is no other checkout in the world that can handle millions of merchants, their customizations, and be themed to match your UI with just a few lines of code. Using Checkout Kit also means you shouldn't have to worry about the usual marketplace compliance requirements faced by platforms that handle their own payments. Checkout is complicated. Shopify makes it simple. That's the future we're building together. native shopping in every AI conversation.
I think they're looking at it different from the way I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it in a totally different array. Let me see what these is saying.
Hello, hi, and welcome. To our latest tutorial, we have an exciting one in store today. We are going to create a Shopify agent using the Syllable console. The goal of this agent is to help online visitors to your Shopify storefront. We'll be adding a bunch of features like product and shipping questions, order status, refund policies, and more. What I have in front of me here is our written docs for tutorials. I'll be going back and forth between this and the console.
That's an opportunity right there.
You can find these docs at docs.syllable.ai. Very helpful, as they include lots more detail on these tutorials. Alright, let's dive in. As with all agents, we start with creating a prompt. I'll name it Shopify Agent Prompt. I'll use OpenAI with GPT 4.1 and the latest version, skipping seed and temperature. I'll also skip the tools for now. Then for the content, I'll be using our tutorial doc to copy and paste an example prompt. This will give the necessary instructions to the agent on what it is and what it does. So if you read here, it says that you are a helpful assistant assigned to provide information about a Shopify online store. And then it goes into more detail on how to provide that help. Now, we have the prompt done. Let's go back to the tools. Syllable provides some Shopify tools to create easy integrations into your Shopify store. So let's add those now. We're going to be able to want to search for an order by number, search for an order by email confirmation, get a URL for our store for any products in it, and be able to search for Shopify products. So these are all the tools that we're adding. Oh, and there's one more tool to add, but we'll create that in the next step. This is looking good, so I'll save it. Next up is creating a data source. Navigate to the data source section on the left and create a new data source. We'll call this Store FAQ because this is going to be the answers to all our frequently asked questions about the store. So things like return policies, shipping policies, payment methods, etc. We provided an example for you in our tutorial doc, so I'll just copy and then paste it in here.
Start thinking about all this. Like the AI agent should be able to do all this for the person. I think we're at that point. We cannot all wait for Shopify to roll it out for us. Sidekick for, let's see, magic sidekick, let's see. They call it magic.
So I've got something really cool to show you. I'm deeply excited about this. I started this company almost 2 decades ago because entrepreneurship is hard, entrepreneurship is important, and it needs to be easier. There's a million things you need to know when you're embarking on this journey, and a million things that you will have to figure out along the way that you don't even know yet. Some people are lucky enough that you have someone you can call or you can text with questions. Some people do not. But imagine how much more entrepreneurship would there be in the world if everyone would have someone by their side who is deeply competent, totally committed to you, available around the clock, with no judgment, with no fear, knowing everything there is about Shopify and entrepreneurship writ large. Technology has advanced so much in the last year that this is now possible. And we are building this directly into Shopify, and we could not be more excited about it. We believe entrepreneurs are heroes. This is our foundational belief here. And every hero needs a sidekick. Every entrepreneur has tons of questions. Sidekick will have answers that are specific to your business. It is built for the purpose of helping you with the entrepreneurial journey. One of the best things about Sidekick is that it can take things off your to-do list, and if you so choose, do them for you. It will not question your vision, but if there's a big change you want to make, it'll definitely be able to help you with that too. Sidekick knows everything that Shopify knows. That includes how to design your store, that includes developer documentation and economic trends. I can't actually think the corner of the internet that will benefit more from AI than the pursuit of people building their own businesses. I've been part of the technology industry since the mid-90s. I have never seen anything like AI. This will be an unbelievable boon to entrepreneurship.
I'm gonna make a video like this. So chat, I have a couple of things I need to do. I feel so uncomfortable being, but I gotta. This is the demo. Product live yet. It's already on market right now, bro. We need to hurry up, man. I'm building mine with Medusa. This is intense. They still charge on transaction fees. Oh, this is interesting. This is very interesting. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's similar to what I want to do. But it's like, what Shopify doing that they're fragmenting it into different things, right? But I want like an agent that you get in from the start. Like, hello, my name is this. I'm here to manage your business for you, right? So it's.
So I've got
We don't need bots that will search through this thing. But you don't want it just answering questions from you or asking you things. You want it to do things for you in your store, like update things, remove things, make changes. Like that's what I want my store to be able to do. I don't know about Shopify's own, but I'm gonna have to do more product research into that. Shopify is a very strong competitor in this market. Like they are just fucking massive, man. Anyway, it's okay. We're gonna come back. We're coming. There are like different things that we can use, we should use for this. But this is where the pitch deck is. I might do a stream later because I think I'm more quiet later and I have more time. But let's see how it goes. No promises. So for now, this is where we're gonna stop. We did some research.